everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best sound pack for FLYTER engine on all YouTube. Do you understand that this is the best sound pack on all YouTube? So don't skip and rub a like, then enjoy watching. In this pack I have 462 sounds. They are all conveniently arranged in folders. All the sound is awesome. You may have heard them earlier in my videos. Make Photoshop your colors from standard to these amazing custom colors. So please go to Google and write hex color. Let's show 1 to 2 examples of sound from all folders.
Fatality.
Sound cool, right? You can download them from the link in the description. It weighs 644 megabytes. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends who need the best sound pack for video editing. Good luck and see you in the next one!